Alright, we're in the basement and HVAC looks to be pretty much wrapped up. Sorry if it's a little dark. It gets pretty dark all the way back here in this corner. And we don't have any electrical yet. And this is all for the first floor. We're in the basement here. You can see on this side they did a pretty good job of tucking everything up into the floors. When we finish this side of the basement, we'll have a little bit of trouble with those. Have to put some bulkheads around some of that stuff. And here we are on the first floor. They've got all the vents covered. And there's the air return for the first floor. All the floor vents. Kind of hard to see because it is so dark in here. These windows are actually they are in the garage waiting to actually get installed. So we're excited to see those go in the wall, see how that looks. And then upstairs on the second floor, we've got attic up there with the second unit. And that's all hooked up to all the vents and all the bedrooms and bonus room up here. Cold air return for upstairs. And the vents for the bonus room.